Unit 2 Common Assessment, Multiplication and Division of Whole Numbers. Time limit 75 minutes. Set a goal for the Unit 2 Common Assessment by circling one of the following categories: Distinguished 100% to 90%, Proficient 89% to 75%, Apprentice 74% to 65%, Novice 64% to 0%. Did you meet your goal? Why or why not? Number 1. At Walker Elementary School, each school bus is assigned 27 students. The school has 15 buses. How many students are on the buses in all? A. 275 students. B. 285 students. C. 405 students. D. 420 students. Number 2. A bullet train travels 1,000 miles in 15 hours and travels the same distance each hour. How many miles does the train travel each hour? A. 2 miles. B. 20 miles. C. 200 miles. D. 2,000 miles. Number 3. Which equation below represents the story? Chandler had 302 marbles that he's putting into bags with 21 marbles in each bag. How many bags of marbles will Chandler completely fill? A. 50 times 6 plus 2 equals 302. B. 42 times 7 plus 8 equals 302. C. 14 times 21 plus 8 equals 302. D. 4 times 75 plus 2 equals 302. 4. A comet flying through space travels 2,534 miles per second. In 56 seconds, how many miles will the comet travel? A. 27,973 miles. B. 142,408 miles. C. 143,679 miles. D. 141,904 miles. Five. Meadow is planning on making and selling bracelets for the fun fair. She buys 3,200 beads to make the bracelets. Each bracelet will contain 20 beads. How many bracelets can Meadow make? A. 16 bracelets. B. 18 bracelets. C. 160 bracelets. D. 180 bracelets. 6. Every 12 hours at the Toyota factory, 9,360 cars are made. If the same amount of cars are made each hour, how many cars are made each hour? A. 670 cars. B. 780 cars. C. 820 cars. D. 910 cars. 7. Which division sentence is represented by the model below? A. 24 divided by 12 equals 2. B. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. C. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. D. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 8. If the Apple Store in Fayette Mall sells 651 iPhones per day, how many iPhones would they sell over a 22-day period? Nine. Wendy bought 13 refrigerators for her new restaurant. Each refrigerator cost $2,358. What is the total cost of the refrigerator? A. $30,654. B. $2,371. C. $41,854. D. $9,432. 10. Microsoft has 773 factories making computers. If each factory is able to make 6,824 computers each year, how many computers does Microsoft make each year? A. 5,274,952 computers. B. 5,163,852 computers. C. 512,920 computers. D. 115,808 computers. 11. A florist has 215 flowers. He used 12 flowers to make each bouquet and had some flowers left over. Which equation shows the results of 215 divided by 12? A. 215 equals 17 times 12 plus 11. B. 215 equals 29 times 7 plus 12. C. 215 equals 17 times 11 plus 12. D. 215 equals 10 times 20 plus 15. 12. Taylor found 2,527 marbles in her attic. She wants to give an equal amount to each of her 24 classmates. How many marbles would each of her classmates get, and how many marbles would be left over? A. 15 marbles with 7 left over. B. 105 marbles with 7 left over. C. 150 marbles with 7 left over. D. 105 marbles with 0 left over. 13. The Brown family went on a trip and packed 20 sandwiches for lunch. There are 6 members in the Brown family. If each person in the family received the same number of sandwiches and all 20 sandwiches were eaten, how many sandwiches did each person eat? Explain your answer. 14. Create a rectangular array matching the equation below. 28 divided by 4 equals 7.